As if beautiful beaches and ideal weather weren't enough, every December some of the coolest cars, trucks, and SUVs roll into the San Diego International Auto Show.
It's a phenomenal event. It's very exciting. You know, we are just back after the 2-year pause, as are most of the other auto shows in North America. We closed down for 2 years, as did everybody else, and you have to keep in mind there's 65 auto shows in North America.
Like many in-person events, the San Diego Auto Show took a break for the past few years. The 2022 show was the first since 2019. The wide variety of new cars, cool tech, electric cars, activities, and hands-on learning is hard to beat. Here are a few highlights from this year's San Diego International Auto Show. The Dodge Hornet is one of the newest new models at the San Diego show. The Hornet is a compact crossover SUV from Dodge, and it's loosely based on an Alfa Romeo. A 265 horsepower turbo 4-cylinder engine is standard, but the RT model is a plug-in hybrid. That plug-in model can go about 30 miles on electricity alone. The Toyota Crown is also unique. Just as the Toyota Avalon is going away, the Crown arrives with a fresh new look and a reintroduction of a model American drivers haven't seen since the 1970s. The new Crown has a futuristic look and an elevated ride height. The 2023 Toyota Crown combines the best comfort features of a sedan and the tall driving position of a typical SUV. A hybrid is the standard powertrain on the new Crown. Another unique vehicle San Diego Auto Show attendees can see is the new Nissan Z. The design is clearly meant to remind us of Zs from the past. The taillights, the Z emblem, and the rear pillar, and the 3 gauges mounted in the center of the dash are all borrowed from Nissan Z cars of the past. Nissan also has the all-new Ariya electric SUV. The electric Chevy Bolt is worth looking at too for some who want an electric car at a moderate price. While many electric cars are in the $40,000 to $70,000 range, the Chevy Bolt is around $30,000. There's even a slightly larger version named Bolt EUV, which stands for Electric Utility Vehicle. For those who want to experience both gasoline and electric cars, Chevrolet, Ford, and VW offered in-car driving experiences just outside the exhibit hall. Never driven an electric car? Well, this is your chance. Jeep always has a way to truly experience their vehicles at the San Diego show. Camp Jeep is always a hit. This in-car experience is designed to highlight the off-road ability of Jeep vehicles. Through a series of ramps and obstacles, prospective buyers can see and experience wheel articulation, power, and hill climbing ability firsthand. One of the must-sees at the San Diego show is the Ford Bronco Raptor. This version of the Bronco makes more than 400 horsepower and has a 10-speed automatic transmission. To handle the roughest terrain, the Bronco Raptor includes upgraded suspension and 37-inch all-terrain tires. If you missed this year's show, make plans to attend in the future. The San Diego Auto Show is one of Southern California's most anticipated new car shows.